Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yeah. Guys, please remember to leave me just a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Look here, so guys. I have a little bit of stuffiness, like a little bit of runny nose, and I'm gonna make some immunity booster tea. Natural remedy now, guys, packed with lots of antioxidants. This remedy is good for cold and flu, phlegm, mucus, and all of that. Gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, and also this is good for if you're doing weight loss and detox. This is amazing. All right, guys, let's get straight into this part. So here I have half of lemon. All right, but if you're making a lot, you can make some and put in the fridge. You can use one, but I have half. And you want a good size piece of ginger, okay? And you want to cut it in strips. And I have one whole clove of garlic, and I just what do you call it, use a knife and just beat them up a little bit. Half of big onion. If you have a small one or a medium size, use one, okay? And I'm going to sweeten it with some honey, and I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. And cayenne pepper is also good for your immune system. All right, guys, it will also help to digest all of this properly, and it's going to build and clean your immune system. All right, guys, so let's get into this part. Over here, guys, I have a pot with hot water. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to dump the whole shebang, less than quarter teaspoon, guys, just a smidge. All right, guys, now you're gonna let this come to a boil. Boil it for a good 5 to 7 minutes. Let it boil and boil down, okay? And then I'm gonna come back. All right, guys, you see it a boil up. Guys, this is good for people who have pneumonia, bronchitis, people who travel with asthma. Yeah, this is good for you. You can boil it and drink a glass or two every day, you know, guys. One morning, one evening. All right, there's no limit. Only you know, say, also look at this. You see the garlic in there, guys? Garlic help to lower blood pressure, help to give you good blood flow with the onions. Yeah, and the lemon peel is gonna help with cold and flu. Yeah, help to cut away mucus and phlegm. The ginger, good for inflammation and pain and all of that. Help with the digestion. Okay, guys, good cold and cleanse right here. Super healthy. Okay, so you can smell everything come together. Oh my gosh, so good. All right, guys, look at this. It's done. This is how you want it. And if you feel like you're coming down with something, just put a towel over your head and steam out. But don't put the ginger in there. Ginger gonna burn your eye. All right, okay. I have a container over here, okay, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a little bit of it. Oops. Ooh, go down. I'm gonna put it in there. This is just for decoration. You don't have to, guys. Ooh. I'm doing it hot. Oops. Coming over here. I'm gonna pour some in. Get some fresh one up there. Alright, guys, I have some honey, and you don't want to put too much. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. And you want to give this a little mix. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, and that's it right there. All right, good immunity support. All right, good for cold and flu, mucus and phlegm, good for upper respiratory symptoms. All right, guys, it's also a good weight loss and detox remedy, cold and cleanse. All right, super awesome, packed with lots of health benefits. All right, guys, gonna clean and build your immune system to get rid of those nasty cough. All right, guys. And guys, you can drink this when it's hot or cold, it doesn't matter. Okay, just drink some. I'm gonna drink my warm because I'm gonna build some gas. All right, guys, you have a good day.